to sell online music lessons on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products in this platform. So let's get started by explaining the platform for you. So Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products, and if you noticed, most of them are handmade products. As you can see in here, those all are handmade products. So let's check one of these shop pages just to show you an idea about what the video is talking about. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one. I'm going to show you how you can add pictures of your product like this, and how also you can write this text, and how you can put the sizes and the personalization type, also how you can add those other details and the description of the product, and last I will show you how to set your shipping and return policies like this one. So let's go back to the first page and click on the sign in button to log into your account, and if you don't have one, click on register to create it. So I'm just going to sign in. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Just wait for it to load, and then we will click on that button. Let's just give it a few seconds, and then we click on the shop manager button, and let's start from the beginning. So here we have 6 steps to go through to create our shop page like the one that I showed you before. And the first thing is setting the shop preferences, which are the language, the country, and the currency. So those are filled by default, so I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar, and then click on save and continue. Then I'm just going to type a name for your shop. So for me, I'm going to type my niche's name as my shop name, and as you can see, this name is available. So let's click on save and continue, and then we have the create a listing step where you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now, you'll be able to edit this later. So here you're supposed to add at least one picture of your product, or as many as you can, so buyers can see every detail, and also use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And if you want some tips, use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn or used, shoot against a clean simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So if you already have a video of your product, you can just upload it in here. If not, you can follow these quick tips, or you can even click on the link to learn how to make videos that sell, or you can just film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim for 1080 pixels or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And then we have the listing details where you type the title of your product, and then you answer these 3 questions: who made it, I did, what is it, a finished product, when did you make it, if it's recently or not made yet. So let's go with recently, and then we have the category. So here you can just again type your niche's name as a category and choose the one that fits you in here. Let's go with the second one, and here we have some additional settings to fill or details to fill, so I'm just going to skip them all for now, they are optional. And then we have the renewal options, if you want an automatic renewal or a manual one. Then you have the type of your product, if it's physical or digital, so mine is digital in this case. And then you have the description place, so you can start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item, so just make sure to follow this text and you will type a good description for your product. Then you have the production partners, if you have any. If not, you can just leave it empty, and if you have one, just click on add a new production partner. You type the production partner name, the location, and you add about the production partner and also about your partnership. You answer these questions, then you click on save partner. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here guys, make sure to calculate your prices accurately. Make sure to calculate your margins, the profit, how much the product costs, and that stuff, the shipping also, and put all of that in your price. Then we have the quantity, so make sure to type as much as you have in the product. If you have 2 pieces or 3, 4, 5 or more. Then you have the SKU number if you have it, if not it's optional. And if you want personalization, you can turn this on, if not you can just turn it off. And then here you upload your file, the file that you're trying to sell. You can upload it in here, and you can also add up to 5 more files if you have them. If not, you can just upload one, so at least you need 1 file. Then you have the returns and exchanges policy. So here you have no returns or exchanges. Buyer can contact seller about any issues with an order. So here you have no returns or exchanges, and that's only for the digital products. And when you're done with all of these, with filling all of these details, just click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.